Make a great choice today with the 2019 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. So here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.